Tired of juggling bills and dreading late fees? NatWest Autopay is here to rescue your financial sanity. Let's dive into how you can set it up in minutes. First, open your NatWest mobile banking app and log in using your usual security details like your passcode, fingerprint, or Face ID. Once you're logged in, look for the Payments option, usually located at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it. In the Payments menu, you need to find Manage Standing Orders and tap that. This section displays your current standing orders. If you don't have any yet, that's perfectly fine. We're about to create one. Now, you'll need to fill in the details of who you want to pay. Start by entering the payee's account details. This usually includes their sort code and account number. Next, select the frequency of your payments. Choose from options like weekly, monthly, or quarterly depending on how often you need to pay this bill. Set your start date, and if applicable, an end date for the autopay. This is useful for subscriptions or fixed-term payments. Review all the details you've entered on the confirmation screen. Make absolutely sure everything is correct before proceeding. Finally, confirm your standing order. You might be prompted to enter your secure code or use biometric verification to finalize the setup, and that's it. You've successfully set up NatWest Autopay.